Welcome to Stellar Hosting. How to add SPF, DKIM and DMARC records in DirectAdmin. If you want to protect your domain from spoofing and improve email deliverability, you need to configure SPF, DKIM and DMARC records. These authentication methods work together to verify your emails and build trust with receiving servers. SPF simply means Sender Policy Framework, and it is a record that tells the internet which servers are allowed to send emails on behalf of your domain. It is like a sender ID badge. DKIM means Domain Keys Identified Mail. It adds a signature to your email so receiving servers can verify that they have not been tampered with. It's like a sealing envelope with your official stamp on it. Then we have the DMARC record, which simply means Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting and Conformance. DMARC works with SPF and DKIM to prevent email spoofing, stop scammers from impersonating your domain, protect your sender reputation, and decide what happens to suspicious emails. It is basically your domain's security guard. Adding SPF, DKIM and DMARC records improve email deliverability, reduces spam and spoofing, protects your domain from phishing attacks, keep your emails out of Gmail, Outlook and Yahoo spam folders, and gives you more control over your domain security. If you want your domain to look professional and trustworthy, especially when sending business emails, you absolutely need them. And to do this, you're going to start by logging into your DirectAdmin panel and navigating to DNS management. Let's start with the SPF. SPF is a TXT record, not MX or a record. To add it, click Add Record and choose TXT. In the name field, enter your domain or leave it if DirectAdmin autofills it. In the TXT record type, select SPF. In the IP address field, replace your server IP with your actual server IP from DirectAdmin. In the value field, enter your SPF policy. For telehosting email, the recommended SPF is this, but if you use external email services like Google or Outlook, they will provide you with a value which you're to include here. You must only have one SPF record because multiple SPF records will break email delivery. Now let's move to DKIM. DKIM is auto-generated and included by default in the DNS management in DirectAdmin. So go to the email manager section, click on email account and click enable DKIM. DirectAdmin will automatically generate the required DNS records, and once enabled, you'll see a DKIM TXT record like this in your DNS management. This record is automatically added to your DNS, and if it is missing, you can contact our support center for further assistance. Finally, add a DMARC record to define how receiving servers should handle unauthenticated messages. DMARC is also a TXT record, so go back to DNS management, click Add Record, select TXT record. In the name field, put _DMARC, and in the value field, enter this safe starter policy: V equal to DMARC1, P equal to quarantine, RUA equal to mail to your mail at yourdomain.com. P equal to quarantine means that suspicious emails will go to spam. RUA equal to mail to. This indicates where reports will be sent. Save to apply your records, and after saving your record, allow time for DNS propagation and verify the configuration using online tools or your email provider dashboard. With SPF, DKIM and DMARC records in place, your domain is better protected, your emails become more trustworthy, more secure, and far more likely to land in the inbox instead of the spam folder. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need stellar hosting services. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications for more web hosting tutorials like this. See you in the next video.